Hey everyone, and welcome to the OklaRoots YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we're doing one of my favorite unboxings of the year. Today, we're going to be unboxing the Spring 2023 Bella Box from MeTime Delivered. So, if you don't know, the Bella Box is amazing. It comes out twice a year, usually in the spring and then in the fall, and it is jam-packed full of goodies and projects, all kinds of fun stuff. Now, this is embroidery related. So these are meant to all be done with an embroidery machine. However, there are some projects, usually, I don't know, I haven't seen this box, I have no idea what's inside, but usually there are projects that you could use your sewing machine for. So if you wanted to skip the embroidery, or if you just wanted to use the projects on their own and maybe use something else besides embroidery, you can do that. However, it is specifically designed to go with an embroidery machine. I say this every time I get a Bella box, but here's my ultimate gift to a new embroiderer. If you have somebody in your life who just got a brand new embroidery machine, this is the gift to give them. I'm telling you, this is the gift to give them. There's no going to a quilt shop or to a fabric store or a thread store or a craft store and trying to pick out all the things and figure out what they need, and then they get home and they're working on the project and they don't have everything they need and you have to go back. This is like the ultimate, you just got an embroidery machine, you don't know what to do with it. Here's a bunch of projects that are gonna turn out amazing and also gonna teach you so much about your embroidery machine. Like after you're done making a few of these projects, you're a pro, you know all the kinks, the tensions, you've learned it all. So that's my thing. So in the holidays especially, I'm like, if you wanna be like super Santa and you wanna give like the ultimate gift to a crafter in your life who is looking into embroidery, you get them the Brother PE 800 embroidery machine, and then you get them a Bella box and they are good to go. I mean, I wish I never started embroidery because then I could get that gift and it would be an amazing gift to get. But I still, even though I know a lot about embroidery and I do it all the time, I still get super excited every 6 months to get one of these Bella boxes. So today what we're gonna do is we're gonna open it up. We're just gonna open it up and look at all the goodies inside of it. I don't have any projects planned for today. Today is purely an unboxing video. However, if you see a project that we're looking at and you're like, we need that on the channel, let me know. Like I said, a lot of these projects, there is an embroidery component and also a sewing component. So we could definitely do a good tutorial on one of these where we do the embroidery part, but if you're like, I don't need that, then just skip over and we can do the sewing part on its own. Let me know. So thank you, as always, to the MeTime Embroidery Delivered folks for allowing me to use all of their goodies on my channel. Thank you also for sponsoring today's video. I can't rave enough about it, guys. You guys know how much I love MeTime Delivered, how much I love Kimberbell products. I am so excited to be a part of this. I feel so honored to even have one of these boxes because apparently they did sell out. That's what I heard. That's what I've been told, is that the Bella box is sold out. However, they said they just this week opened up some more spots. So I will have a link down below if you're interested in this box. I think you can grab one. I don't know. By the time this video comes out, they might be sold out again. But we'll see. We'll see. Hopefully they're available and you can grab one of these beauties. Oh, I'm so excited. So if you're new to the OklaRoots YouTube channel, hello, welcome. Please consider clicking subscribe down below. If at any point you like this video, please give it a like. Any questions, comments, shout outs, anything at all, leave them down in the comment section. Like I said, if there's a project and you're like, we need to see it, comment section. I will be checking that and then we can revisit the Bella box. Honestly, I still have a bunch of Bella boxes from years past, so if you want to see some of the other unboxings, go check them out. I still have projects. I still have so many projects that I haven't done from them. So if there's an older Bella box and you're like, I still want to see how you make this, go tell me. You can also send me an email over at jessica@oklaRoots.com. There's so many projects and so few hours of the day. You know what I mean? All right, guys, let's open up this beautiful box. I keep all my boxes. I just love these boxes so much. Okay, so this is the Bella box, and the theme is fresh and local. Ooh, okay, and so on the back here, it's going to tell you everything that's in there, but what fun is that? I'm not gonna sneak peek. I wanna enjoy every single moment of this. So let's see. First, we have a one-day event, Spoonful of Sunshine. Okay, Kimberbell has lots of fun events for embroidery, sewing. Make sure if you have a local quilt shop nearby, you go check them out. Most local quilt shops do carry Kimberbell products. And honestly, that's the main way you can get a lot of these. So then we have the Bella box. Oh my gosh, look at this booklet. So this booklet is going to have all the instructions for all the projects, from embroidery instructions to sewing instructions. So let's just quickly run through some of the projects in this little book, okay? You can see from the front picture here, this is going to be what most of the things are. Oh my gosh. Ah, coasters, I love coasters. Is that like a flower holder? Wow, I love this little bag. Shop local. I love that. So here is a canvas tote with this beautiful embroidery design. It says shop local. That's just, as a small business owner, shop local. The more small businesses you can support, the better. Okay, and then here we have a bouquet wrap and gift tags. Ah, what a beautiful gift for the spring. Especially if, some of you guys, did anybody else have a really difficult winter? I know I did. Winter was a very difficult season for me this last year. As we get out of it and we get into spring, I feel like, I know for me, I'm feeling a lot, this is getting a little, I'm feeling a lot more like cleansed and just happier. And so something like this little bouquet flower as a gift to somebody who maybe had a hard winter, that would be really special, really meaningful. And then we have a garden flag. That is so cute. And then see over here, we have a Living the Good Life screen. Oh, that's beautiful. I have some gardeners in my life that I think would love that. Ooh, a barn quilt trivet. Oh, that's cute. I like that. Okay, so lots and lots of projects in this box. Let's see what's in here. So first we have a silicone iron rest. I love this. Let's open it up. Well, that is just beautiful, isn't it? So I have a little Olaf, I don't know what it's called. Let me see. Not even close. Aliso iron that kind of goes up and down. But this would be perfect for that. I love this. So I can just set my iron right on top of it. And that way, especially for me, a lot of times I am ironing on my cutting mats. I have an ironing pad and everything, but I'm usually doing everything in one spot. So this would be a great way to protect my cutting mat by keeping the iron on here. And then when I iron on my wool mat, then I'm still protecting everything. Ooh, what's this? This looks like felt. Yes, this is felt. So this is gonna go with one of the projects. I don't know which project, but it's gonna go with one of the projects in the box. I love that. That's a really nice felt too. It's not like the craft store felt, you know what I mean? It's a nice felt. And then Me Time embroidery mesh. Ooh, this is interesting. I'm gonna open it up so you guys can see it. Look at this. It's a pretty firm mesh. Oh, I think this is for the screen. I wonder if you embroider on this. Well, that's cool. There's a lot you can do with that if you can embroider on this. I'm already thinking of other projects. Okay, something you guys know I love so much. We even carry it in the shop. We might be sold out, but I love this so much. This is Kimberbell paper tape. This is the best tape for sewing, embroidery, anything. You can sew over it. It does not gunk up your needle. It does not get stuck in the stitches. It rips out easily, but it's actually sticky enough to hold things in place. I cannot rave enough about this tape. It's the best. Okay, in here is the embellishment kit. So there are a bunch of different fabrics and buttons. Oh, okay, I gotta just look at a few of these because these are so cute. So these are all like the little bits and bobs that you're gonna be needing for a lot of the projects. So we have like some ribbons here. We have some cute little buttons. Oh, I love that. Oh, some twine. I do love some twine. Some twine. Oh, that's fun. Look at that vinyl. It's shiny. So lots of little bits and bobs. Don't throw away this. You see it's like some stabilizer. Don't throw that away. Everything in here is to be used with a project. So lots of bits and bobs. And then, oh yay, like a little charm pack here. You have a bunch of fun little small cuts of fabric. I think this is going to go with the shop local tote, right? That's what it looks like. Oh, so you're going to probably applique these little bits on. How fun is that? I love that. Okay, next. Fabric kit, materials included, lots of different fabrics and cuts of them. So I'm not sure which project this goes with, but those look, oh my gosh, hold on. There is a fabric in here with some chickens on it and I need to look at it. Maybe these are roosters, huh? I just messed it all up. Look at that. Got little roosters on here. That's adorable. I love that fabric. What fabric is that? Does it say on here? Timeless Treasures Navy Country Cottage Roosters. Okay, I might just have to buy some more of this fabric because that's adorable. Okay, more fabrics. This might have fallen out of something, I'm not sure, but more fabrics. And then the Me Time garden flag. That's so cute. We have a lot of people in our neighborhood who have garden flags. I don't have a green thumb, so I don't really like to advertise my garden because it's kind of sad. But honestly, I have some neighbors that I think I can make something really beautiful for, and they would love this because there's a lot of pride in one's garden in my neighborhood, and I respect that. I wish I had it, and I don't. All right, then, what do we have over here? Okay, this looks like a wooden frame. Rip it open. So yeah, this is a wooden frame. It's very nice, very solid. It's not cheapy. It does not feel like, you know what I mean? Sometimes when you buy like a picture frame and you're like, it's gonna look so good, and then you feel it and you're like, this is pretty much cardboard. This is not it. This is a really solid, nice wooden frame. I really like this. You could have a lot of fun with this. So even if you didn't want to use this for the embroidery project they have for the screen, you can have another embroidery design. If you maybe have a custom one that you've made. Maybe for me, I might do like an embroidery design of my OklaRoots logo and then like with some like little flowers around it and then put it up in my space back here. That would be beautiful. On the back, it does have a hanging tool so you can easily just put a nail on the wall, hang it up. Love it. All right, next, the pin. I love this. It's a collector's pin. I love collecting these. This is this month's collector's pin. That is beautiful. Here, let me give you a closer look. So here is this month's collector's pin. How stinking cute is that? It's so beautiful. Honestly, I love to put these little pins on bags. I put them on jean jackets. All the times I just pin them to a corkboard in my sewing room and just look at them because they're so pretty. Okay, then we have the tote bag. So this is from Kimberbell. It is a beautiful, unfinished tote bag. And so you can see it's mostly done. You see this? It's mostly done, but the sides are still open because you want to be able to open it up and embroider on it easily. And then you're going to sew the sides closed yourself. And we have reached the bottom of the box. Ah, so much fun stuff. So there we go. There is the spring 2023 Bella box. We'll see the theme is fresh and local. I love this stuff so much. I would say this one is mostly embroidery. There's a few projects we could make without an embroidery machine, but most of this is for embroidery. So like I said, if you have somebody who is new to embroidery, this is a great, great gift for them. It's just got everything they need for the project. All they have to do is really add their own thread. Maybe they have to use their own stabilizer. I don't know. There is quite a bit of stabilizer included in this box as well. But it is a fantastic box for people who are just starting out or anyone who just wants to have some fun this spring who likes to embroider. That's me, honestly. This is something that my kids and I really like to do. They pick the project, they pick out the fabrics. Embroidery machines are really nice. They are still, sewing machines. So you have to be very careful, keep the little fingers away from the needle. However, it is something that I found with my family, my kids can participate more with embroidery projects and like really be more involved than they can with the sewing machine where it's kind of like, woo, you know what I mean? You have a lot more willy-nillying you can do, which is pretty dangerous, versus an embroidery machine where it's mostly like stop, lay things down, push the button, trim it. I feel like it's an activity that kids can be more involved in and like have more responsibilities in with less risk, but again, always adult supervision. So thank you again to Me Time Delivered for allowing me to unbox the Bella box. If there are any projects from this box you would like to see on the channel, make sure you leave a comment down below. Let me know if you got the spring 2023 Bella box. I'm so excited. Which project, if you got this, which one are you doing first? I think I'm gonna do the tote bag. I love that shop local tote bag. That is beautiful. And there's so much like applique and embroidery involved in it. I think that's gonna be a really, really beautiful bag. I hope you're having a great day. Have a fantastic rest of your week. Get out there and make something. Bye guys.